Hey, it's your girl QG. Yep, that's right, Queen of the Grandinites. And one of my favorite artists is the singer Sade. We all know her as the sultry singer who has the iconic look of the slick back ponytail, the slick back braid out. You know the look, you know the forehead, all that, yes. So I figured I'd give it a try. Why not? My hair has been relaxed for a while, and I feel like it would be easier to do the look. And I just was like, you know what? Let me get my Sade on. It was in the middle of the night. I was listening to her, and I said, what the heck? Why not? Let's try it out. So, to those of you who want to do something, I feel like it's an easy thing to do. Nothing a little water and gel couldn't help and fix. So if you want to learn how to do it and rock with me on this one, let's do it together. I am all the way here for it. And here we go. So as you can see, I already sprayed my hair down with some water. Tried to comb out some of my knots that I always get. And I use Blue Magic. That's also been a thing that's helped with my hair growth. I've done a video on that as well. But yeah, Blue Magic, and I've mixed that with hair lotions, and that's helped me to maintain my length. So I use that as well. But yeah, I just use this to help slick it back and give me that shine I'm looking for. I use a wide tooth comb to help comb out my hair. And yeah, my hair's still wet. And this is still a fresh relaxer too. That's why I also think that it's easier to do this hairstyle. But, yeah, so just pull down the edges a bit. Make it as smooth as you can get it. You'll probably have to use some gel to help with this look as well. I should have wore a lighter shirt to help see the actual ponytail, but I wasn't thinking. Hey, like I said, it was the middle of the night and I was feeling good. I was feeling sultry. So I said, hey, whatever, let's just do it. So take a hair tie, of course, and let's get that puppy snatched back as tight as you can. Well, not as tight as you can, because you don't want to have a headache. And you dang sure don't want to pull your hair out. But tight enough that, you know, you don't have loose hairs going all over the place. No bunching. You don't want that. Nah. Try to get as smooth as you can get it. And so I took this hair because I felt like it was thick, as you can see, thick and kinky, to give it kind of a more natural look. And so you take another hair tie and you wrap it around your own hair as such, if you can see it. And yeah, you'll take the hair tie and wrap it around your hair. Now, I couldn't figure out if I wanted to have my own hair on top or at the bottom. I don't really think it matters, as long as you can just make your hair blend in with the hair. That's all that truly matters. So just, if you can, blend your hair in with the weave and just braid it down. This hair does get very tangled. I'm just going to let you know that right now. I was having issues with the shedding of the hair and also the tangles. So what you might want to do is maybe detangle it if you're able to. That'll help make this process easier, because I was having a hard time, as you can kind of see. Like I said, I should have wore a lighter shirt, but I wasn't thinking. So just make sure it comes all the way down. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. This is so tangly. I would not suggest this hair for this hairstyle. I wouldn't. I was trying to go for a more natural look and more natural feel, but yeah, it was giving me way too many issues with the tangling and the knotting. Honestly, I would use Kanekalon hair for this, Kanekalon braiding hair for that, or maybe yaki or something like that, something smoother, and you wouldn't have all these issues. But hey, I had to work with what I had, and it was still getting the job done, as you can see. But yeah, I wouldn't suggest that. Almost done. Almost there. And this is a very long ponytail, as you can see. So I think length depends on what you like. You don't have to do a very long braid out if you don't. I mean, not braid out. Braid if you want to. But I was trying to mimic the Queen Sade. You get it. You get it. Here we go. Finally, down to the end. Yes, as you can see, we got it attached to our hair. Feeling sultry. Yes, I feel like an assassin. Yes. Yes, she got me ready to sing. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Yes. Yes. Sorry, I had to. You know I had to. When you wear a hairstyle like this, you have to sing that. And you have to sing it just like that, too. Well, if you want to. But anyway, yeah. I think, yeah, bringing down some not baby hairs, but sideburns. I like sideburns. I don't know what everybody else thinks about that. But I like sideburns. I think they help bring out a nice ponytail. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. There you go. So, you all should try this out to get your Sade on as well. This is for everybody. It's for the streets. You know? And then let me know how it turned out for you. What do you think? Is it looking good? I think it's looking good. Try it for yourself and let me know down below. All right.